Ooh, this is so satisfying. Bitch, it's insane. ASMR. I am so happy with how it has turned out. And look at the mess. I think you guys gave me some amazing book recommendations. Look at this mirror, guys. Good afternoon vlog. So hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new video. It is actually a vlog and it's currently 3 o'clock and I just took a shower. The past 2 weeks have been hectic, they've been crazy. I've had so much work to do with the shift and the move, and I had to put some continuous videos, and like there's been a lot of things. So I have decided to take today off, and my सुबह से सिर्फ आलसी की तरह पड़ी हुई थी, and I finally took a shower. Now this is today's OOTD, so I always show you my outfits, and आज तो मैं बहुत ही cozy comfy हो रखी हूँ with this t-shirt which I absolutely love. This is one of my favorite t-shirts in my closet. I can literally wear this every day with these shorts that I got from Sarojini I think 3 years back, and I have to take a few things upstairs and show you something there, so let's go. I got so much stuff with me. Now I have come upstairs for the first time for today. Like अभी तक मैं ऊपर नहीं आई हुई थी, so I was just cleaning everything. थोड़ा सा ध्यान देती है, although like I wasn't cleaning क्योंकि इतना mess हो रखा है, but I was just doing a few things here and there. Now अभी तक मैं officially ऊपर shift नहीं हुई हूँ. Like I'm just working on the studio, the living room, bedroom. Like मेरा bed वगैरह सब नीचे है. क्लोजेट की भी ज़्यादा चीज़ अभी नीचे ही है. आई लाइक स्लोली डू इट लाइक ग्रेजुअली. अभी मैं पहले ये दोनों लाइक दिस रूम लाइक स्टूडियो रूम एंड द लिविंग रूम पे मैं पहले इन पर फोकस कर रही हूँ. तो लिविंग रूम तो हो गया है. नाउ इन अ फ्यू डेज आई लाइक डू ओवर द स्टूडियो रूम एज वेल, बट फॉर नाउ let me show you the living room because bitch it's insane. I'm pretty sure you have तो already seen this. आपने पूरा टूर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन सब देख लिया होगा. मैंने अभी तक लिविंग रूम टूर फिल्म भी नहीं किया है क्योंकि वो कैनवासेस फ्रेम होके आना है. I'll put them and I have to do a few more things, but yes, this is the room so far. I think it's insane. Like ये मैंने पूरा vision किया था and seeing it come together, it was like a dream come true. Now real talk, yesterday when I did the entire transformation, like me and one of my friend helped me with that, which I'm so grateful for. बट जब कंप्लीट हुआ एंड रात को मैं जब अपने रूम पे गई वापस से लाइक डाउन स्टेयर्स बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आई एम लिविंग देयर ओनली नाउ, सो I was feeling so overwhelmed. Like I don't know what took over me, but it's about weird सा feeling I like that. I was like, do I even deserve this? Like I was questioning so many things. I don't know what happened, but then I reminded myself that yes, I have worked so freaking hard for everything, and yes, I deserve it. And obviously that feeling is gone now. But it's थोड़ी देर का था, but I was feeling really overwhelmed. But now I'm loving it. Like so, I have decided to add this really cute green dino also to the living room aesthetic, just to make it a little cute. And I got this dino when I went out with one of my friends to a play like a gaming zone, and वहाँ से हमें मिला था. Now I've shown you the aesthetic part of the house. Let me show you the disastrous part, which is this area. Like look all around. So I thought कि I should show you this side as well क्योंकि मैंने आपको इतना pretty side दिखाया है. And yes, this is the reality on the other end also. I won't give out much, but look at this fucking mirror. It's huge. I should have done my OOTD hair. Now this is the only part of my studio which I'm going to reveal right now. But यहाँ पे मैंने एक बहुत बड़ा like literally look at the size of this mirror. This is insane. This is one of my favorite things of this house. Now if you have any questions about the mirror, wait. स्टूडियो टूर में मैं सब कुछ रिवील करूंगी. स्पीकिंग अबाउट स्टूडियो टूर, इट एक्चुअली रिमाइंडेड मी आई हैव टू आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन. सो लिविंग रूम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, लिविंग रूम टूर आपने सब देख लिया होगा, विच अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज़ चेक इट आउट. आई लिंक इट हेयर एंड इन द बॉटम बार. दोनों वीडियोस देखो, बहुत अमेजिंग है. एंड स्टूडियो टूर के लिए आई वांटेड टू आस्क यू लाइक डू यू वांट मी टू डू अ सेपरेट स्टूडियो टूर और वन एंटायर हाउस टूर? क्योंकि हाउस टूर का आई एम टेलिंग यू बिफोर हैंड इट विल टेक मी अ फ्यू मंथ्स टू डू दैट. सो होपफुली बाय द एंड ऑफ द ईयर मे बी दिसंबर के राउंड में कर दूँ, बट अभी तो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी बिकॉज मैंने अपने बेडरूम के लिए कुछ प्लान नहीं किया है. आई हैव यूज्ड ऑल माई रिसोर्सेज, ऑल माई energy for like these rooms first because I wanted to focus here. So मैंने अभी bedroom के लिए ना कुछ खरीदा है ना कुछ plan किया है, and I think it will take me a few months to just decide what all I want to do there. So house tour तो अभी आएगा नहीं, but do you want to see a studio tour before that? Because I think studio is going to look pretty good. अभी तक जो मैंने सोचा है उसके हिसाब से fingers crossed. So comment down below if you want me to do a studio tour. I'll like whenever I complete the makeover of this room, I'll definitely film. But if you want to, I think October तक I might do it because तब तक मुझे लगता है काफ़ी चीज़ें settle हो जाएंगी. So tell me, do you want a studio tour separately or not? Although spoiler alert, it's going to look. So yes, I wanted to give you real time updates. Although जब तक आप ये वीडियो देखोगे तब तक तो बहुत टाइम हो जाएगा because this video will literally come after a few weeks. तो काफ़ी लेट आएगा. But I did wanted to show you like things in real time, कैसे क्या चल रहा है. I'll also try to vlog multiple days and make one entire vlog like video. Let's see. And now यार क्लीनिंग करने का तो मेरा बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा because I've decided to take like today off, ना chill करना है. So I'm thinking I'll read a book. Hi guys, so it's a few days later actually, and I just got done shooting a video and I'm really like loving today's look. Like I'm feeling this look and I wanted to like give you a breakdown of what I'm wearing. So for my outfit, I wore this dress because I wanted something easy breezy, and I wore like this black fitted top inside it. I wanted this layered look, and I've kept the outfit so simple. It's all black with silver jewelry. So this chain is from Amazon, this chain is from H&M, this top is from H&M, the dress is from H&M, and I'll link everything that I can find the link of in the description. And now for my makeup and especially for my lipstick, I do want to show you what lipstick I have used. So I've actually applied 2 shades. Let me quickly get it. So I have layered 2 shades. The first one is this Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte in the shade 09 Truly MLBB, and the second one is this Maybelline Creamy Matte in the shade Mysterious Mocha. So I've just like layered these 2 shades and I'm really liking this lipstick. This is totally my vibe, very nude, very cool tone. And मेरे बाल इतने oily थे आज, and I did not want it to like just wash them. मुझे बहुत आलस आ रहा था. So I just put it all back in this half something thingy, and I just curled these front pieces, and this was the look of the day. Also, I don't remember the last time I applied foundation. I've totally stopped applying foundation because I hate applying foundation in this humid weather. बहुत मुझे से I don't know, my skin feels heavy, it feels icky, and I don't like it. So I just did some concealer, bronzer, blush, highlight, like the basic products, and very light brown eyes. And yes, this was the look, and I'm loving this. Like I don't want to remove this makeup. Also, it's so messy. I have to clean everything, and the recliner is gone, guys. I've shifted the recliner upstairs. Bed वगैरह अभी यही है. I don't know when I'll like shift the bed and everything, but I've shifted the recliner, so it looks so empty. Ooh, this is so satisfying. So you remember the paintings that I showed you in the living room transformation? आपने तो क्या living room tour में भी देख ली होंगे, but these just got framed and ये अभी आए हैं, and I'm just removing these plastic thingies and it's so satisfying. Also, I just filmed the book वाला video again. आपने वो भी देख लिया होगा. I link all the videos in the description. It was all about like reading books that you guys recommended me, and these are 2 of the books that I mentioned in the video. And yeah, now I think I'll quickly clean all this. Removing lenses, it's one of the best feelings in the world. I've literally placed it on top of a body wash ka dabba, so I hope this doesn't fall. But I was saying removing lenses is one of the best feelings in the world. And if you want to know what kind of lens solution I use, I basically use this Bausch & Lomb ka Bio True solution, and I'll just like wash my lenses with this and then keep them in the case. Time to remove this makeup. I don't want to remove this makeup. I really like it. Also, like I've shown you so many times, my favorite makeup remover, which is this micellar water. Now I hope it's focusing and everything is fine because I literally cannot see because glasses are not on. But what I really wanted to talk about right now, not talk about, to show you is that मैं बहुत आलसी हूँ अपने स्किन केयर में आजकल. Like I do it every day, twice a day. I do not skip on that. Ladies, girls, guys, do not skip your skincare. What I have become lazy on is the number of products that I apply. So आजकल मैं literally सिर्फ 2 ही products अप्लाती हूँ. What? Take 2. So आजकल मैं literally बस 2 ही products लगाती हूँ, this toner and this moisturizer. Also, I don't know where did I keep my spray bottle. And then my favorite moisturizer, which is from Neutrogena, it's their Hydro Boost Water Gel, and this is my favorite moisturizer for this humid weather. So I'm going to apply shitloads of this moisturizer because my skin feels dry right now. My skin still feels dry today. Okay, I've decided to layer this sleeping mask as well on top of this moisturizer because my skin still feels a little dry. I don't know why. This one is from Dot & Key. It's their Skin Plumping Moisture Infusion Water Sleeping Mask. I've used it quite a bit, like it's almost done. It's a decent product, like not the best. ऐसे नहीं कि ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा मुझे. It's average, like I've almost finished it, तो ठीक है, but I won't be repurchasing it, I think. Although I like some products from Dot & Key quite a lot, but this one, it's not my jam. And I think skincare routine is done. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Now, where's my laptop? I want to watch a show or something. I want to start a new show. Hey, comment down below some of your favorite shows right now. या फिर कोई show recommend करो. It can be American, it can be Indian, it can be a Korean show as well because मैंने काफी time से Korean show पे start नहीं किया है. So recommend me a good show in the comment section, and do tell me in the comments what do you think about the living room and how are you liking the videos and the content so far. What all videos do you want to see in the future? मुझे वो भी ज़रूर बताना. And yes, that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you have not seen all the videos mentioned in the video, I'll link them in the description. And like करना video, comment करना, share करना channel and subscribe करना वो बिल्कुल मत भूलना. Go scroll थोड़ा सा, find this red button and subscribe right now. I'm waiting for you. Subscribe करो and click on the bell sign. And yes, that's it. Bye guys. I love you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here and I appreciate you so much. Bye.